Hi, in front of me I have KIANO Elegance 6.1 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to perform the hard reset from the settings on this device. Let's start by opening the settings, and to do it, tap on this icon right here. Once in settings, scroll all the way down. Oh, my bad. Scroll all the way down and tap on the system. Here select advanced and then tap on reset options. Here tap on erase all data, then tap reset phone. As you can see here we have a warning about our battery capacity. It should be above 30% if you're doing the reset, but we're gonna tap OK to confirm. Then tap erase everything and let's wait until the process is complete. And at this point the hard reset is complete. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.